Now, what company are you from?
I'm Judy Bouts, and I'm with Instructional Tech Educational Technologies, and we're partner with e-instruction, student response systems, and interactive whiteboards.
Can you tell me more about your product?
Well, our student response systems, I'll have you choose one here. What we can do is we can have it set up that we have questions set up ahead of time. Every kid gets to answer these questions anonymously. So if I want to see how kids are doing, now this one is going to be a lower level question, but I can have every student have their own assigned student response system. So if they choose the answer A, it's going to automatically show up here that I have an A. As a teacher, I'm using our interactive whiteboard, and I can see who's answering what. And so immediately I have immediate data as to how students are doing. Now if they answer the correct answer, it's going to give me a green check. And so then I know immediately what students know and what they don't know. And so then that guides how I'm going to teach. So if I hit end, and we only have one up here, but it's going to give a bar chart. And so then I can see, all right, all of my kids answered in this section. Now if I had several different answers, I could go in and reteach. Now if I click on show correct answer, all right, we don't have the correct answer. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in and I'm going to reteach, and then I can come back to this question, engage it, and I can click this button. Same question, different numerical values. And so now I can reassess my kids after I've taught. And so I have immediate feedback. Kids know what they're learning, and it's more engaging because everybody gets to answer. Instead of having one kid, it's like, what's the answer? And one kid answers, I have one kid involved. Now I have all of my students involved. So that's our student response system. And then this is our interactive whiteboard. So you can use it as, we use it to get feedback up in the quick screen. We can also use it, end on this. We can also use it where we just go in and we can take notes on top of what we have, and I can save those. I can export them. I can also go in and I can have it take video and capture video and save it and show kids or students, or have students show someone, okay, this, if I click on this, it's going to take a picture of my screen, take video, and if I have them go in and say, this is how I work the problem, let's see, I didn't put mine in the right format, but I can have students go in, write that out. When they hit save, and if they have a microphone, it saves that for them. It's an AVI, and I can upload that to my online learning environment. And it shows kids how to do things, or kids get to show what they know. So it's a great way to interact with students. So I'm going to go ahead and delete that, and yes, there we go. And so we can also pull out other items in here for our teaching. So it's an interactive whiteboard, and I can walk the room. I don't have to stand up here. I can be at the back with somebody that needs extra support.
Well, thank you.
Thank you.